Huawei Mate X-T's finally got a real competitor in the trifold game, Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. And this is the perfect time to have a specs comparison between the Huawei Mate X-T's and the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold phones. Galaxy Z TriFold main screen, 10-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with 1600 nits peak brightness, 120Hz refresh rate. Cover screen, 6.5-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with 2600 nits peak brightness, 120Hz refresh rate. Huawei Mate X-T's main screen, 10.2-inch OLED with 90Hz refresh rate, 1440Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. Cover screen, 6.4-inch with a 1008 by 2232 pixels resolution plus dual display of 7.9-inch with 2048 by 2232 pixels resolution. In terms of display, the Mate X-T's is bigger than the Galaxy Z TriFold. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold has an octa-core 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, coupled with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of onboard storage. It is preloaded with Android 16 based One UI 8. Huawei Mate X-T uses Huawei's Kirin 9010 chipset alongside 16GB of RAM and 1TB storage options. It runs on HarmonyOS 4. Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold boasts a triple rear camera unit led by a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, a 10-megapixel selfie camera. The rear camera setup of Huawei Mate X-T's a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, an 8-megapixel camera on the display. Galaxy Z TriFold features a 5600 mAh battery with 45W wired and 15W wireless fast charging support. Huawei has packed a 5600 mAh battery, supports 66W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. Both phones are important for very different reasons. The Huawei Mate X-T deserves credit for being the first real trifold phone. The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold builds on that foundation with more power, better software, stronger cameras, and a global rollout that makes it the trifold most people can actually use. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.